Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn about animals. Are you ready?
Cow, cow. Moo, moo, cow. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Goose, goose, goose. Neigh. Horse, horse. Chicken, chicken, chick, chick, chicken. Goat, goat, goat. Pig, pig. Oink, oink. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Quack, quack. Duck, duck. Rabbit, rabbit, whee! Rabbit. Let's learn about our two animals. Are you ready? Monkey, 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 monkey. Camel, camel, camel. Deer, 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 deer. So cute. Bear, 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 bear. Giraffe, 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 giraffe. I'm a panda, I'm a panda, I'm a panda, panda, panda. Roar, tiger, 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 roar. Tiger. Pooh! Elephant, elephant. Roar, lion, 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 lion. It was so much fun learning animals with you. See you next time. Bye.